Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about cameras in the mirrorless space right now, the all-new Sony A7V. If you're a content creator, professional filmmaker, vlogger, photographer, or hybrid shooter who's been waiting for a powerful and compact full-frame solution, then this video is going to cover everything you need to know. The official reveal of the Sony A7V has sent shockwaves through the photography and videography world. This next-generation mirrorless beast brings groundbreaking enhancements in autofocus, imaging power, and video performance, setting a whole new standard for hybrid camera systems. So stick around, make sure to smash that like button, and subscribe for the latest tech reviews, in-depth gear comparisons, and expert analysis, only here on Techno Trend Zone. Sony A7V, a new era for mirrorless cameras begins. The Sony Alpha series has consistently led the charge when it comes to innovation in digital imaging, and the A7V, often referred to unofficially as the A7 Mark V, looks to be the most refined and performance-packed version yet. With significant improvements anticipated across the board, including sensor tech, AI-powered autofocus, 8K video, and more efficient power delivery, this camera is designed to serve a broad audience, from seasoned professionals to passionate hobbyists. Let's break down everything that's been revealed so far, plus the high-impact leaks and rumors that are shaping expectations for this revolutionary model. Sensor innovation and image quality. One of the most exciting developments is the rumored 33-megapixel full-frame stacked sensor, which is expected to deliver faster readout speeds and exceptional clarity. This new sensor aims to minimize rolling shutter effects, a common pain point for many mirrorless shooters, while also dramatically enhancing low-light capabilities and dynamic range, potentially surpassing 15 stops. This means sharper textures, richer tonal depth, and better overall image fidelity, even in harsh or dim lighting scenarios. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, weddings, or commercial projects, the Sony A7V could be the creative tool that helps you level up your work. Game-changing video performance. The video specs are where the Sony A7V truly turns heads. Expected to record in 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, this camera will enable ultra-smooth high-resolution footage ideal for cinematic content, YouTube production, or even indie filmmaking. The inclusion of 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording pushes the creative boundaries further, allowing for rich color grading and post-production flexibility, but it doesn't stop there. Leaks suggest that Sony has integrated advanced video codecs to maintain high image quality without ballooning file sizes, a huge plus for editors and DITs. An upgraded cooling system reminiscent of the Sony A1 is also rumored, ensuring long shoot durations without overheating. Built-in stabilization is reportedly better than ever, and the dual-gain ISO system will help capture pristine video with minimal noise, making it an ideal companion for cinematic productions and mobile creators alike. Autofocus and subject tracking. Like never before, Sony continues to dominate the competition in autofocus performance, and the A7V seems poised to raise the bar yet again. Expect enhanced AI-based subject recognition, with accurate real-time tracking, and autofocus for humans, pets, wildlife, and birds. Photographers shooting fast-paced subjects such as sports, wildlife, or events will benefit from the next-gen motion tracking algorithms that promise fast, precise, and reliable AF in every frame. Even in challenging low-light conditions, such as astrophotography or indoor event coverage, the Sony A7 versus autofocus should perform effortlessly. Battery life and power efficiency. For professionals on extended shoots, battery performance can be a deal-breaker. The Sony A7V is expected to use the tried and true NP-FC100 battery, but with more efficient power usage and system-level optimizations. New reports suggest that USB power delivery, PD, will be included, which allows not only faster charging, but also the ability to power the camera externally using high-capacity power banks, a major win for vloggers and remote content creators. Connectivity, storage, and workflow enhancements. Today's creators demand speed and versatility, and the A7V seems ready to deliver. Anticipated dual-band Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster wireless data transfer for mobile workflows, while USB-C with accelerated throughput makes tethered shooting and file transfers a breeze. AS for storage. Dual card slots support CF Express Type A and SD-UHS-2, giving users maximum flexibility for both high-speed performance and cost-effective recording. Integration with Sony's Imaging Edge mobile and desktop apps will further streamline the shooting process, enabling features like remote camera control, cloud backup, and tethered preview. Design and build quality, small tweaks, big gains. While the body design remains consistent with previous models like the A7 IV, there are several ergonomic improvements rumored for the A7V. These include a deeper grip for better handheld stability, especially for users shooting with longer lenses or over extended periods. We can also expect enhanced weather sealing, improved button placement, and a larger, more responsive LCD touch interface. The updated layout will better accommodate hybrid shooters who frequently switch between photo and video modes, ensuring faster, smoother operation in the field. Pricing and market positioning: the Sony A7V is expected to land in the $2,500 to $2,800 USD range, putting it squarely in the mid to high-end mirrorless camera market. While this might seem like a significant investment, the rumored capabilities easily justify the price for those seeking a professional tool for hybrid content production. It's clear that Sony is aiming directly at the competition, most notably the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z7 II, and by all accounts, the A7V could easily become the most competitive all-rounder in this tier. Final thoughts: is the Sony A7V worth the hype? Based on everything we know and the leaks we've seen, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a flagship hybrid camera that redefines what's possible in this category. From its improved stacked sensor, AI-powered autofocus, and professional-grade video specs to its refined body design and next-gen connectivity features, the A7V looks like it's crafted for creators who want no compromises. Whether you're a travel vlogger, commercial filmmaker, portrait artist, or studio shooter, the Sony A7V is positioned to be the camera that empowers your creative journey like never before.